When you are done with a Readworks assignment, you need to go in and see your results. Up here you see assignments to do and submitted assignments. So once you are done with your comprehension questions, you can go to the submitted assignments tab and it'll list all of the ones that you have done. And then you can go back and say, mark the button that says see your results. If you've scored below 70%, I'm going to reassign it. The most important thing for you to do when you check your results is to mark your answers. If you scored, right here you see your score, if that is below 70, so if it's 69 or lower, you're going to need to redo it, and I will automatically reassign everyone who gets below 70%. What you will want to do is go through and mark your answers. The green check right here shows that your answer was correct. So you're going to want to mark number 1 is C, number 2 is A. So mark your ones that are correct. It looks like Allie got 100% on this one. So let me go back and show you one that she did not. So you're going to want to mark all your correct ones. Maybe mark 1 is D and put a check mark so you know that that is correct, because you're going to have to put all your answers in again, and I'd hate for you to get something wrong that you already got right the first time. So mark your correct answers, but when you have an answer wrong, you see the red X, you're going to know that D is not the answer. So when you get back to number 6, you know D is not the right answer, and it'll help you narrow down what the right answer is. You're going to want to mark all of your correct and all of your wrong, because when I reassign it, it doesn't keep your answers at all. So when you go back to assignments to do, you will see that many of you have reassigned assignments. You do need to do those again. So make sure you go back and do those if I've reassigned them already. From now on, you know that you will have to do them if they are scored below 70%. So check your percentage here. If you are below 70, record your answers, and I will reassign it that night, and you'll have to do it the next day.